All the money that you have invested in FD, you are slowly losing all that money and generating negative returns without even you realizing it. I just need 5 minutes to prove that your FD is not safe and also you are generating negative return from FD. So let's go. Fact 1. So if you have already invested your hard-earned money in FD, or if you are thinking to invest all of your money in FD, tell me honestly in the comment section. Did you know that your money is secured or insured up to 5 lakhs only? Let me say this again. Your money is insured up to 5 lakhs only, and no banks want you to know this fact. So if tomorrow any of the bank collapse, if there is a economic uncertainty, if there is a shortage of money, in that case all the money after 5 lakh will be completely gone and there will be absolutely no way to recover that money. So if you had invested 20 lakhs in FD, then 15 lakhs will be completely gone and you will not be able to recover that money ever again. And the worst fact that RBI, government and even your own bank will not take any responsibilities of that money, and they are legally able to do this with you. Still you think that your money is safe? Fact 2. If you could remember, March 2020, lakhs of Indians have trusted the Yes Bank, a father for his daughter's marriage or his child education or maybe emergency fund. Everybody used to invest their money as FD in Yes Bank. They did not take any bet, they did not invest it in any type of shares or any type of crypto. They thought that FD was safe and Yes Bank was one of the best options. But in one single night, Yes Bank collapsed. They lost all of their money. And Yes Bank was not some small cheat fund. It was the 4th largest private bank of India. No government, no RBI could save their money. They lost all of their money in just single day. Now you know that FD is not safe at all. But this is not the end of the story. Do you still think that FD is giving you a positive return? Let me show you the math. Numbers don't lie. But before I directly get into the math, I would highly appreciate if you can like this video and share it with at least one of your friends who is still investing in FD. So let's get back to the video. So your FD gives you not more than 7% return. It's less than 7, but let's say your FD gives you 7% return. And if you are under top income bracket, you will pay 30% tax on it, and FDs are completely taxable in India. So your effective FD return becomes 4.9%. Now, inflation. In India, government tells us that the average inflation rate is 5%. So 4.9% minus 5%. So your effective return becomes negative 0.1%. It simply means that you are slowly losing your money every single year. And that's even not the worst part. Government tells you a lie because they only gives you and present you the average inflation rate. But in reality, the effective inflation rate is much higher. Every sector has different inflation rate. For example, education sector has 8 to 10% inflation rate. Healthcare sector has 10 to 14% inflation rate, and the importance of education and healthcare sector is much higher in our life. So our effective interest rate, inflation rate becomes 10%. So when you calculate the effective returns of FD, 4.9% minus 10%, so it becomes 6.1%. It means every single year you are losing your money at a rate of 6.1%. I know this is very hard to digest because you have been brainwashed for tens of years, and I just got 5 minutes to break it. I already put the links of all the important data and proofs in the description, so you can check it out and verify by yourself. Now it's time to answer one of the most important questions. If FD is not safe, if FD is generating you negative returns, then where should you exactly put your hard-earned money? Where should you exactly invest your money? And it's not stock market, it's not any type of crypto. There are instruments that are 10x more reliable, 10x more safe and generating much more higher return than any other instrument you know. But in order to answer all these instruments and cover all the instruments, I definitely need a part 2 of this video. So the part 2 will be uploaded on this date. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon, and I will catch you with the part 2.